Call your hits! Call your hits! He's not calling his hits! Just call your hits! Gucci, are you playing this game?
No, I would be. I gotta get this thing fixed. So, the turbo encabulator isn't aligned with the Rita Fortifram or the Canuter valve, and if I don't fix it, it's never gonna work. It's just never
Dude, this
work.
isn't even your gun.
I have a problem, okay?
Oh, good name.
Wait, dude, are you playing?
Yeah, I'll be out in a second.
Alright, cool. Dude, we just lost the objective. Are you gonna play?
Yeah, I played for a bit, and then I came back to sit down again. I needed a little breather.
Oh, I would have hit him if it wasn't for this hop up. Oh, it's good.